Hi traders, this is Jason from SA Shares, and today we are going to be taking a look at Trading 212. Be sure to like, subscribe and click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. Trading 212 is a licensed forex and CFD broker that was founded in 2004 and is based in the United Kingdom. This broker is regulated by the Financial Conduct Authority and the Cyprus Securities and Exchange Commission, and offers more than 10,000 ETFs, stocks, commodities, indices, forex pairs, and CFDs. With Trading 212, you can trade long or short and leverage your trades by up to 30 times, or by up to 500 times if you upgrade to a professional account. Trading 212 offers commission-free trading, 24/7 customer support, and tight spreads on all accounts. You will also be protected by the Financial Services Compensation Scheme when trading with this broker, and your accounts are secured by high-level encryption and anti-hacker technology. The Trading 212 website is simplistic and easy to navigate. Once you land on the homepage, you can either click on Invest to view stocks and ETFs, or CFD to view all the other instruments offered. You can also click on the More tab to view trading terms, regulations, and trading instruments. This menu can be used to visit the community forum, to access the YouTube channel, view contact details, and change the language of the website. The homepage displays information about the mobile application and highlights features about Trading 212's product offerings and accounts. You can also read customer reviews and payment methods further down the page. Trading 212 offers more than 10,000 instruments collectively, and there are over 180 forex pairs. You can trade thousands of stocks from the London Stock Exchange, the New York Stock Exchange, and NASDAQ. There are also dozens of popular indices and commodities on offer. Trading 212 also offers some of the most popular cryptocurrencies, including Ethereum, Bitcoin, Dogecoin, Polygon, Algorand and Cardano. You can easily buy instruments from the mobile application and the webtrader once you have created an account. Trading 212 does not offer a welcome bonus or deposit bonus at this time. However, you can earn rewards by referring friends and family, or if you have a large following, you could become an affiliate and earn a commission. There are two types of live accounts that you can open with Trading 212. One is designed for CFD trading, and the other for investing. With the Trading 212 Invest account, you can buy thousands of stocks and ETFs, commission-free. The CFD account offers stocks from leading international companies, indices from FTSE 100 and S&P 500, a variety of commodities, and more than 180 forex pairs. This account has negative balance protection, and there are no hidden fees on either account. You can fund your account using US dollars, pounds, euros, and 5 other currencies, and no minimum deposit is required to open an account with Trading 212. Your Trading 212 account can be used on the proprietary Trading 212 mobile application. We would recommend using both the webtrader and the mobile application to get the most out of your investments. You can easily create a diversified portfolio using the intuitive pie tool on the Trading 212 application. This tool lets you choose your instruments, adjust their percentages, and view estimated annual returns in the form of a pie chart. The mobile application also lets you create fully automated investment plans that can be used to automatically deposit, invest, and reinvest dividends into your customized pie chart. Trading 212's mobile application is flexible and user-friendly. You can easily top up your account or make withdrawals at any time. This app also has a built-in social platform where users can browse and comment on different pie recipes, and you will be able to copy the pies you like to your portfolio. Investing this way is similar to copy trading, except that you are not copying trades, but copying portfolios instead. Once your mobile application is set up and your pies have been configured, you can easily buy stocks and ETFs directly from the webtrader. To buy instruments from the webtrader, begin by clicking on the left-hand side of the screen and choose to either view ETFs, CFDs, or stocks. You can then either search instruments by typing it into the search bar or filter your search results based on the exchange and the type of instruments you are looking for. Once you're signed into your account, instruments you buy on the webtrader will automatically be added to your account, and you will be able to view them directly from the mobile application. Creating an account with Trading 212 may take up to 24 hours. However, the account creation process is simple and straightforward, and you can follow these simple steps to sign up. Firstly, launch the Trading 212 homepage, and then click on the Open Account button. Complete the online application form. Next, verify your account and email address, and then log in to the client portal. Once your account is set up and approved, you can fund your account, and then simply start trading. Once within the client portal, you can view your portfolio, check on your calendar, trade directly from the interface, and much more. Trading 212 is one of our top-rated stock and CFD brokers for beginners because of the low minimum deposit required to open an account. And there are more than 170 videos you can watch to learn the basics of trading. These videos will also show you how to make pies on the mobile application and how to build your portfolio. You will also receive expert insights into stock trading and learn about key terminology that you should understand to be successful. There are also videos on chart patterns, trend lines, as well as support and resistance levels, and you can gradually learn about more advanced trading techniques and concepts as you work through these videos and refine your investment strategies. We also recommend visiting the Help Center if you need any guidance with setting up your account, using the mobile application, and buying instruments from the web exchange. The Trading 212 customer support team is available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and the response time is currently 29 seconds. To get in touch with customer support, open the menu bar and click on Contact Us to submit a web ticket directly from the website. You can also use this form to request a callback. We recommend visiting the Help Center and reading through the frequently asked questions to see if your questions have already been answered. Overall, Trading 212 offers more than 10,000 stocks, ETFs, and CFDs across many asset classes. By signing up with this broker, you can trade cryptocurrencies, forex, commodities, indices, ETFs, and stocks from major international exchanges. Trading 212 offers a beginner-friendly mobile application, and you can easily copy investment portfolios with their intuitive automated investments and pie charts. If you are interested, be sure to open your Trading 212 account today and bring a friend or two along with you to claim your referral bonuses and get a head start on your trading career with Trading 212. And that is our overview of Trading 212. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with SA Shares now, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.